We're so happy. We're so happy and privileged to be here today to open the Startup Day of the Cyber Week. What a magnificent week for the Tel Aviv University, and what a magnificent week for Israel, that we are proud to present our excellence in cyber, our research in cyber, innovation, and the industry that we grow here. Very exciting opportunity for us Israelis to share the stories of the Israeli cyber industry, some of the insights that we gather, and certainly to create new friendships and partnerships here. At the Startup Day today, we're going to focus on the startup industry and try to understand how unique is a startup journey. What is the unique journey that a startup has from an inception or from an idea and forming kind of like just the incubation team and raising capital into the stages of creating a real company, a real product, scaling this product, and becoming actually a cyber corporate rather than just a cyber startup. I think we have an amazing panel here of experts and people who participated in the industry in all different activities in the industry, from investors, entrepreneurs, the government and the very important role of the government in this industry, some of the VCs that invested, and the large corporates that partner with the startups in their journey around the world. And I'm very honored that I'll moderate this day, try to walk you through this journey for entrepreneurs, trying to understand what is the entrepreneurship journey. And I encourage you to get kind of like the insights and the notes that you can get from the participants here in designing your own journey and hopefully learning a little bit from the experience of people who've done it before. With this, I want to start and invite Gili Drob-Heistein to the floor, Managing Director of the Blavatnik and Yuval Workshop for Science, Technology and Security, who is leading actually the Cyber Week. Gili, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Thank you, Nimrod. Dear guests, welcome to Startup Day. It is my pleasure to welcome you, startups, investors, entrepreneurs, and thought leaders, to our Startup Day. As you know, Israel is famous for being the startup nation. It is not a coincidence that Israel is considered a leading center of innovation. Our size and unique ecosystem, which combines industry, the military, and academia, provides fertile ground for the development of startups. We have over 460 cyber startups in Israel, and with growing cybersecurity challenges, this number will only continue to increase. This is the first time we are hosting Startup Day at Cyber Week here at Tel Aviv University. And Tel Aviv University ranks 9th globally for producing VC-backed founders of companies, and 8th in the world for graduates who have established companies worth $1 billion or more. We believe in the importance of startups and fostering connections, which is why we are hosting this event today. We have selected 23 startups to present here in the lobby and have invited top experts from the field to hold fruitful discussions. I hope that you will come to meet the startups and discover the most advanced technologies. I would like to take the opportunity and thank the Ministry of Economy and Industry and Israel Export Institute for the partnership and cooperation. And I would like to thank Sari and Liana and Karen for the hard work. Thank you. Ronnie, also. I hope you will get the most out of the day and enjoy the interesting lineup of speakers today. Thank you and have a wonderful Cyber Week. Thank you.